Let me ask you something personal. Do you still wake up in the morning with the kind of firmness and confidence you once had? For many men over 50, natural morning erections begin to fade, and with them goes a quiet sense of energy, masculinity, and vitality. Most men assume the cause is simply age, but that is not the whole story. In many cases, it is not just the years, but nutrient levels that make the real difference. I am Dr. Catherine Mitchell, and today I want to share with you the vitamins you should be taking at night to prepare your body for stronger, more reliable morning erections. These nutrients are safe, natural, and simple. They support testosterone, boost circulation, and help your body recover overnight. Stay with me until the end because I will explain how they work together and the smartest way to take them. Morning erections are more than a sign of desire. They're a key indicator of overall health. Strong, consistent erections in the morning show that blood vessels are flexible, testosterone is active, and the nervous system is functioning well. When they weaken or disappear, it often signals that circulation, hormone balance, or energy levels are not where they should be. The good news is that your body has not forgotten how to perform. It simply needs the right support, and some of the most powerful tools are vitamins that work while you sleep. The first nutrient to focus on is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin because the body produces it when skin is exposed to sunlight. After 50, however, the skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D, and many men spend less time outdoors. As a result, deficiency is extremely common, even among men who otherwise consider themselves healthy. Low vitamin D is directly linked to reduced sexual vitality. Vitamin D plays a vital role in testosterone production, the hormone that fuels desire, stamina, muscle strength, and confidence. Without enough vitamin D, testosterone levels sink, leading to lower energy, weaker drive, and reduced performance. Restoring healthy levels can flip the switch back on. Hormone production improves, blood vessels function better, and mornings feel stronger and more reliable. Beyond hormones, vitamin D supports blood vessel health by protecting the endothelium, the inner lining of the arteries. A healthy endothelium keeps vessels relaxed and flexible, allowing free blood flow into the penis. Without vitamin D, vessels stiffen, circulation slows, and firmness becomes difficult. In short, vitamin D supports both the hormonal and circulatory sides of sexual health. How you take it matters. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, meaning the body only absorbs it properly when paired with fat. Taken with only water in the morning, much of it goes to waste. Taken with dinner, especially a meal containing healthy fats like salmon, avocado, olive oil, eggs, or nuts, absorption improves dramatically. Timing also plays a role, since much hormone repair occurs during sleep. Testosterone production peaks at night, and vitamin D enhances this process, giving your body the tools it needs during its natural repair cycle. When vitamin D is restored, men often report not just stronger erections, but also better mood, greater energy, and improved muscle strength. Supporting vitamin D is like recharging a drained battery. It powers vitality across the entire system. The second nutrient to consider is magnesium, often called the relaxation mineral. It calms muscles, lowers tension, and soothes the nervous system, making it easier to unwind at night. Yet magnesium does far more than promote relaxation. It plays a central role in male sexual health and hormone balance. Magnesium is directly involved in testosterone production. Without it, the body struggles to manufacture testosterone in the needed amounts. It also helps increase free testosterone, the active form the body uses for desire, stamina, and performance. Low magnesium quietly reduces this resource, leaving men with weaker drive and less confidence. Circulation also depends on magnesium. It keeps arterial muscles relaxed, improves blood flow, and boosts nitric oxide availability, all critical for firmness. Deficiency is linked to stiff arteries and poor circulation. Restoring magnesium therefore supports both hormones and the blood flow that erections rely on. Timing matters here as well. Taking magnesium at night delivers a double benefit. First, it relaxes body and mind, helping you fall into deeper sleep. Second, testosterone production peaks during deep sleep. the very hours when magnesium works best. By providing magnesium before bed, you fuel the system when it matters most. Many men over 50 also struggle with restless nights, cramps, or frequent waking. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system, relax muscles, and stabilize blood sugar, all of which improves sleep quality. Better sleep means more testosterone, and more testosterone means stronger mornings. Over time, men who replenish magnesium not only regain firmer erections, but also feel energy, mood, and strength return. Whether from foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, or from a high-quality supplement, magnesium is one of the simplest yet most powerful supports for vitality. The third nutrient is vitamin C, best known for boosting immunity and fighting colds. But for men's health, its role goes further, especially in circulation, the foundation of strong erections. Vitamin C supports the production of nitric oxide, the compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. Without nitric oxide, even strong desire cannot translate into firmness, making vitamin C essential. Vitamin C also protects blood vessels from oxidative stress, which damages vessel walls and makes them stiff and narrow. Acting as a shield, vitamin C keeps vessels supple and flexible, improving circulation to the pelvic region where erections depend on reliable blood flow. Beyond circulation, vitamin C helps preserve testosterone by reducing oxidative stress inside the testes and protecting hormone-producing cells. This protection allows the body to maintain healthier testosterone levels, fueling energy, sex drive, and confidence. Because vitamin C is water-soluble and quickly used by the body, it does not stay in the system long. For this reason, it is best taken in the evening or divided between morning and night to maintain steady levels. Consistent supply means continuous support for blood vessels, reduced inflammation, and reliable nitric oxide production. Over time, men who support their bodies with vitamin C notice not only firmer erections, but also better recovery, stronger immunity, and greater energy. Here's how these three nutrients work as a team. Vitamin D primes hormone production and vascular health. Magnesium relaxes the body, promotes deeper sleep, and fuels testosterone production during the night. Vitamin C supports circulation and nitric oxide, protecting both blood flow and testosterone. Together, they create the conditions for your body to recover overnight and wake up stronger. Think of it as setting the stage. While you sleep, hormones rise, vessels relax, and energy restores. By morning, the body is prepared to respond the way you want it to. Taking vitamin D with healthy fats at dinner, magnesium before bed with water, and vitamin C to maintain circulation creates a nightly routine that supports hormones, sleep, and blood flow. If you are a man over 50 and want to bring back the mornings you miss, do not simply blame age. Look at what your body may be missing. Add these nutrients with consistency and patience. Within weeks, many men notice stronger mornings, better energy, and renewed confidence. I am Dr. Catherine Mitchell, and I thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more clear, practical guidance on men's health, prostate care, and vitality after 50. Remember, your body is still capable of strength and confidence. You just need to give it the right support.